just want to finish on another couple of aspects of the system that can really help with your service. I'm just going to switch back to the other project that we were looking at to start with. So we've got a full budgeting capability with Alloy. So you can create budgets within the system, budget periods. You can align those with the budgets that you have in your general ledger. We can even integrate with Alloy with a finance system. And you can link work items that are costed, via scheduler rates to budgets as well. So if we look at one of these budgets here, we can open a kind of budget dashboard view. It shows the date range, and then those jobs sort of broken down by the different status categories. And then you can go into them and actually look at the list views in more detail if you like. You can look at previous financial years and so on and what was spent. So we've got budgeting capability in the system. In terms of reporting, we don't like to sort of really talk just about reporting with Alloy. We prefer to refer to business intelligence. You've already seen lots of ways that we can get a real-time understanding of what's happening on our network, whether that be through those dynamic layers that can update as things change, or dashboard cards or inbox views that update as things change. But on top of that, we do also bring a report writer. So it comes to the reports card, you can create custom reports to ensure that you can get the business intelligence in a snapshot out at a certain frequency that you need presented in a certain way. And yeah, here's a list of report types that we've got. And also we can integrate with Microsoft Power BI. So if you want to create one of those nice dashboard views, log in every morning, let's see the state of play, you can do that. And these can be as comprehensive or as simple as you like. Here's a reasonably comprehensive one looking at jobs, and it's all interactive. So if I take this slider here and change the job creation date range, you can see it's kind of updated all the jobs against each team. It's reduced the numbers. I can then maybe select a particular status I care about. So I want to look at all the ones that were issued to contractor, and then it updates the information again, filtering it down and then dynamically updating everything else in the view. So we can provide lots and lots of different ways of interacting with and understanding your information. A kind of a multi-tiered business intelligence function that's sort of provided through Alloy. Final thing I wanted to talk about is Internet of Things. So I kind of mentioned briefly in passing, fleetingly, about the tree lean sensor that we had against the tree that we looked at earlier. Alloy it's a modern system. It's been built to work in the modern world that we now live in, the world that is moving into the Internet of Things, to smart cities. It's ready to work in that world now. And we've got an example of a streetlight here with a nitrogen dioxide sensor on it. We've got noise sensors. We've got meteorological information. And you could even have live feeds coming in. You can send commands to sensors to do things, or controls, turn the light on, turn it off, open the communication cabinet, close the communication cabinet. We want to work in this world because it's the future. Sensors bring so much opportunity, whether that's giving us more information real time about events that are occurring on our network, allowing us to respond to them more effectively, or whether it's about actually controlling things out on site using a system like Alloy. So just to summarize what I've shown you, we've looked at how we can manage a range of assets within the system. We've looked at visualizing and interacting with these. We've looked at the system flexibility to align it with your organization's way of working. We've looked at the flexibility and ease to manage reactive and planned maintenance activities. We've looked at the mobile app, which is intuitive. It matches the cloud system's flexibility as well. So whatever you're configuring in the cloud is reflected in the mobile device. And just touching at the end just now, Alloy is a modern system built for a modern world, a world of IoT and smart cities. So that's all from me. Thanks so much for the opportunity to present Alloy to you. I hope you found it interesting. And if you have any questions, myself or Steve will be happy to answer them. Bye.